a laid-back adventurer who just wants to enjoy the simple pleasures of life, napping in the sun, munching on fruit, and admiring the jungle's beauty. But today, life has other plans for him. Peels a banana, a mischievous monkey swoops in, snatches it, and pelts him with fruit. Al is under attack by a tiny but furious primate. Still recovering from the monkey's antics, Al accidentally steps too close to a parrot's nest. The territorial bird lets out a deafening squawk and starts pecking at Al's head. Fleeing from the angry parrot, Al stumbles onto a warthog's path. The animal snorts, lowers its tusks, and charges. Desperate to escape, Al jumps into a river, only to realize he's landed in the territory of a cranky crocodile. After barely surviving his jungle misadventures, Al climbs onto the riverbank, exhausted. He looks around and realizes, despite the chaos, he loves the wild. Hard work, dedication, and resilience make life fulfilling. Al smiles, ready to embrace life's challenges with a new perspective. Life isn't about avoiding the wild, it's about learning to navigate it. Even when things go bananas, literally, keep going, keep growing, and enjoy the ride.